Hey guys, Derek here with TrailCo coming to you from the great state of Colorado, and it is nearly Christmas here in Colorado, and it's about 55 degrees out. It is amazing weather. That's why I love this state so much. Hey, I just wanted to quick shoot this video out. I'm going to be installing a rear differential skid plate on my JK, and I decided to go with the MetalCloak brand. This is a heavy-duty 7-gauge steel rear skid plate for the differential, and it is amazing. It looks amazing too. Just the quality is, I think, second to none. It's going to be pretty easy to put on. I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a second, but I wanted to quick touch on the importance of having armor underneath your vehicle, your off-road vehicle. Now, I've got some, but I never had any differential armor. So I decided to start off with the rear differential first because that is so important. We know that the front differential, yeah, it gets hit every once in a while, but it doesn't get hit as often as the rear. And the reason being is because typically when you're off-roading, you can take your line with set your line, and once you get over that obstacle, that differential is going to come up. But we also know that most of the time, or a lot of the time, when we set our line, the line that we want to take to get over an obstacle, our rear of our vehicle doesn't necessarily follow suit by the time we get to that boulder or that piece of wood, log, or whatever it is that's in the trail, and we tend to hit our rear differential quite often. So I personally believe that if you're going to get any type of armor, start with the back first, start with the rear differential, and then work your way forward. So just wanted to give that little tidbit to you guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to put this thing on. So you slide it up just like that. You got these U-bolts. Sliding from the back. It's going to be from the front, I believe. And just leave those loose until you get them all together and in place before you tighten them down. So here is the skid plate installed. It was pretty easy, it took about 5 minutes to do. It looks great, and this thing is a beast. This thing is going to protect my differential. We got a great MetalCloak logo there. Just looks really great all around. Just one advice I'd give when you're installing these: do not over tight those U-bolts. You don't want to put a whole lot of pressure on that axle. But hey, if you have any questions, comment below. Hit that like button, subscribe button, and we'll see you on the trail.